Hello everyone, my name's Anna. I'm a retired educator and grandma. Today I want to share with you some of my Montessori inspired activities for children that are 2 to 5 years old. These fun hands-on activities focus on learning basic skills, hand-eye coordination, and fine motor skills. Whether you're a homeschool mom or you're just looking for some fun, inexpensive activities for your child, these activities will be great. A lot of what I'm using, the materials are from the dollar store. So I hope you enjoy these activities. This first activity is a spatial awareness activity. I'm going to be using these printables that I created. I'll link this below. I'm also going to use some of these foam cubes. These are from Dollar Tree. I got a package and there's about 30 in the package. You can also use whatever manipulative you have at home. If you have some of the counting bears, if you have some of these chips, some of these clips, or even cereal. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is have our child match the cubes to the color. So we would go blue, red, blue, and so on. We would do all this activity. If you have some of these counting bears, you can use some of these too. We're matching the color, blue, red, blue, and so on. These chips are also from Dollar Tree. You can use these, blue, red, and so on. If you have some of these work just as well. Or cereal, if you have Fruit Loops, this work too. Blue, red, blue. This next activity, we are going to be using these printables, and what we're going to do, you set up one side and then you have your child copy this. So they're going to be putting the cubes. We're going to have the first line all blue, the next one red, and then the next one green. Such a fun way to learn. Good job.
And red.
Red.
More red.
Good job.
Two blue. Two red.
Yes.
One red. Two blue.
Good job. Yay. This next activity, we're going to be using this art pad from Dollar Tree. I paid $1 for this. And I'm going to show you some of the things that you can do with this art pad. For this activity, I traced some circles, different colors, and I went ahead and colored them with crayons. And I'm going to be using some of the cubes. So what we're going to do is we're going to have our child match the cubes. Red, blue, green, orange. Get some more, and sort them. Where do they go? Good job.
Don't. No, okay. Get green.
Okay, get green. Good job.
Okay, eat open.
Another thing that you can do with this art pad, I traced 2 circles, a big circle and a small circle. I'm using some animals. These are from Dollar Tree. I'm using the big ones and the small ones. So what we're going to do, we're going to have our child pick up one of the animals. Giraffe. This is a big giraffe, and here's a small one. Can you place the big giraffe in the big circle and the little one in the little circle? Okay, what about the elephant? This one's big. This one's little. Let's put this one here and this one in the little circle. This is a fun way to teach big and small. For this next activity, I drew 2 circles and I am going to use some magnetic letters and this printable that I created with the alphabet. I have the uppercase and the lowercase letters. I'm also using this little box. This is a trinket box. This is from Family Dollar. I paid $2 for it, or you can use a smaller box. This is from Dollar Tree and this is $1. So what I did, I put the uppercase letter A here and the lowercase on this side, the letter B, uppercase on one side, lowercase on the other side. So what we're going to do is we're going to open the little drawer and see what we have. Oh, this is an apple. Apple starts with the letter A. Apple. Ant. And so on for the letter A. Then we would go to the letter B. Bear. Book. Brush. And so on. Oh, what do you have in there?
Apple.
Apple.
2 basketball.
Apple.
Oh,
Ambulance. Alligator. Good job. Alligator. That's an apple. 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 Good job. Ant. And a little apple. Can you put them here? Good job. What else do we have? Let's do the bee. What do we have? A bear. Right here with a bee. Ball. What else do you have in there? A bow. Bow.
Butterfly.
A butterfly. Brush. Yeah, that's a brush. What else is in there? You see the button?
2 buttons.
Good.
Banana.
Bananas. Look at all the bees we have. What else? Is that a bug?
Yeah.
For this next activity, I'm going to be using this toy. This is an easy grip, nuts and bolts. And what our toddler is going to do is going to match the shape. This is a triangle, and they are going to try to turn this around, turn. This is a great exercise for wrist rotation. Very important. It strengthens their little hand muscles. So later on, when they are ready to write, their little hands are strong. Yeah, good job. Put it there. Now get another one. A triangle.
Blue triangle.
Blue triangle.
Red triangle.
Red triangle. Do the other way. Good job. How many do you have? 4. Yay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yay. So if you don't have the nuts and bolts toy, you can actually use some of these from any hardware store. So what we're going to do is we're going to have our toddler match these. So what I did, this one would be an easy one. This one would be an easy one. But these are almost the same. So I went ahead and marked it for now. I put a blue dot and a red dot. So what our toddler is going to do is work on this activity. And then the blue one. Fun way to work on wrist rotation. This next activity is a sensorial activity. I'm using some plastic eggs. I'm using 6 eggs. 3 are yellow and 3 are purple. I put a teaspoon of rice on inside a yellow egg and inside a purple egg. I used some pennies in the other one, and the last one I put some dry beans. I'm also using this little container where we're going to place our eggs. So what we're going to do is we're going to have our child pick up an egg and shake it and listen. Now pick up a purple egg and shake it. Okay, that does not sound the same. Let's get another one. Okay, these sound the same. So let's put them right here. Then we would do the next. Okay, these sound the same. And so on. Sound like this one? Shake both of them. Yes, next to each other. Next to each other. Like this. This one here. Pick up another egg. Oh, that doesn't sound the same. Does that sound like this? Yes! Okay, pick up another one. Yes, now this one. Shake them together. Yes! Good job! Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the activities I had for you today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.